Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is isang green candle and above average yung volume. Silipin na natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So kung makikita natin, BTC is forming symmetrical triangle and nasa uptrend momentum pa rin tayo sa big picture dahil hindi niya pa rin binabasag yung previous higher low natin. But sa lower time frame is nagkakaroon naman tayo ng sign of weakness dahil meron tayong mga lower high. So what we expect sa ganitong scenario is kung saan yung magiging breakout ni BTC. Kung dito ba sa trendline resistance to continue yung uptrend momentum. And the moment naman nabasagin yung trendline support natin is magkaroon tayo ng sign of weakness sa buying pressure and magkaroon tayo ng malalim na retracement. But currently, good news na meron pa ring sumasalo above this key level. And we will always wait na lang kung saan yung magiging breakout ng key level natin. And we will always wait ng pullback for higher probability trade.